Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. I hope you're doing great. And in this video today, we are preparing a great mask that would promote a younger looking skin and would be extremely nourishing and would be also useful for people with acne prone skin. Do not forget to subscribe to Comfort Life channel so you are always up to date with all the videos I'm uploading. I try to upload really a lot of DIY recipes, so you could find the best recipe and the ingredient that works for you. Also, I try to make videos about healthy lifestyle and beauty tips. So let's start and prepare the mask. The main ingredient in our mask today will be coconut oil. Don't be afraid of coconut oil. If you're in doubt, you can watch my video about coconut oil and breakouts and just real skincare. It's really amazing for your skin and hair, and you should never be afraid of using it. If you are still in doubt, just keep in mind that you will wash the mask off your face. You won't leave it overnight, so it will never make you break out or so. Of course, every person is different, and there are exceptions to every rule, but I think you should definitely go ahead and try this mask out. So first ingredient, coconut oil. Make sure you get really good quality, something organic or virgin. And we shall need that in the amount 1/4 cup. Always make sure everything you're working with is clean. It's really important because we don't want to put anything that has bacteria or forms bacteria later on our face. Now, the next ingredient I'm going to add will be the baking soda. Baking soda is wonderful because it's a mild exfoliant and it doesn't irritate the skin. Could be used even for dry and sensitive skin. We shall need that in the amount of 3 tablespoons. By the way, the baking soda, I use just the regular Arm & Hammer pure baking soda. So you could use the one you have on hand. Never be afraid of aluminum in baking soda. It never contains any. Only you should be cautious when you're buying baking powder. So what I'm going to do now is mix everything up. The coconut oil preferably to have is creamy, as I have that, not melted. So if you have your coconut oil melted, just pour it in the measuring cup and leave it in the refrigerator for a little bit until it hardens. Once we mixed everything up, I'm going to go ahead and add essential oils. So the first oil of my choice is lavender. It's wonderful for aging skin, skincare, and for any skin irritations, and we shall need this in the amount of 1 drop. 1 drop. And the next essential oil I'm going to use is tea tree essential oil. That's why I'm saying that people with acne prone skin and irritated blemished skin would benefit from this mask too. And we shall need 2 drops of that. So 1 and 2. And now you could actually finish, and I always love to add one more essential oil, which is geranium, in the amount of also just 1 drop. But don't worry, if you don't have all these oils on hand, I would say you could use either 4 drops of this, 4 drops of this, or 4 drops of lavender, or perhaps any other oil that you know does wonders for your skin. So now we give everything a final mix right here. And of course, anytime you're using essential oils that are new, if you've never used them, I would recommend do a little patch test just to see how your skin responds. I think it's very important. So this is actually the way you do a patch skin test. And now I would recommend you to store it in the refrigerator because it will keep the consistency creamy, but then of course you would need to take it out prior to using it because it will need to soften a little. Now you could of course use it in the bathroom cabinet, but your oil might become liquid. The best way to use this mask is to get a small amount, I'd say a teaspoon or so, and gently massage it all over your face. Make sure you avoid the eye area, and then let this mask sit for about 7 minutes, and then you would need to rinse it off with warm water, and of course proceed with your regular skincare routine such as a toner, maybe an astringent. But it is very important to massage, like in circular motions when you are applying this mask, and then wait for the mask to do its job. I really hope you guys like this video, and normally I would transfer it to the 2-ounce container and store it in there, of course making sure that all the containers are clean. And I really hope you guys like this video. You would try this out and share the results. So this is your wonderful mask. You would need to close the lid, and the product is absolutely ready to use. This is your wonderful anti-aging skin cleansing mask. Thank you guys so much for your attention. If you like this video, don't forget to put the thumbs up. I really support every single feedback from you. It's so great to hear from you, actually. I wish you all the best. Thank you again, and I'll see you in my next video.